Today's Stage 1 fire restrictions were lifted in Flathead County, but the fire season is still not over, especially after a few fires broke out this weekend. Katie Harris has some details for us.
Last week, the Flathead Valley saw a little bit of rain that helps the trees and grass. But as soon as the sun comes back out and the wind picks up, the chances for a fire increases dramatically. This weekend, there were 3 fires and many smoke reports. A wildfire has been contained at Cyclone Lake in the North Fork near the access road. The fire was reported as an out-of-control campfire. It's burned 1/4 of an acre of brush, grass, and timber. The firefighter Mountain Blaze in the South Fork is burning timber. It was started by a lightning strike and has burned an acre. And the Canyon Creek fire was also caused by a lightning strike and has burned 1/4 of an acre. With all the active fires around the valley, it's important to remember the potential for fires to get out of control. On October 1st, open burn season begins. That means you can burn wood piles and clippings, but the county wants to make it clear to use caution, even when open burns are allowed.
But I caution everybody that it's still very dry out, even with this little amount of rain. We get a windy afternoon, and the grasses, they'll readily burn. So they really need to be conscientious about it. I would definitely mow the grass down around your piles you're going to burn, and you maybe even put a little water on, have some water on hand when you're doing your burning, and be pretty careful because it's still very dry.
Airplanes are continuing to fly over the valley and nearby mountains to look for smoke. In the Flathead Valley, I'm Katie Harris for Montana's News Station.